My name is Mike Adelberger. I work for Younger Construction. I'm the lead carpenter for them, and I have 35 years of experience. A lot of our homes are large in size, so we end up having to travel throughout the home. We use the cordless compressor. It's really nice where you can take it with you and go upstairs.
I'm Ted Graves, owner of Pleasant Hills Custom Builders, and I've been in this business for about 20 years. Well, the one-turn regulator made it easy to precisely dial up the pressure or dial down depending on what we're using. It's a real time saver because we don't have to go back and set high nails or worry about nails that have gone all the way through the material. FLEXVOLT is genius. It's a strong battery and it lasts a long time, and it's making our jobs easier and actually more fun. I've been using DEWALT tools since I started, and I've been impressed ever since, and every time the new technology comes out, I follow it.
We've used that cordless compressor for framing, siding, casing, crown,
trim, wainscoting, flooring, and it's handled everything we've thrown at it.
Generally, power is pretty scarce on the job site, so either you have to run a long cord or you have to run a long air hose. And it's nice that cordless compressor is not taking up a plug, because a lot of times these slots are valuable.